I'm going to talk about upcoming patterns. So let's look at the weather warnings, then precipitation pattern, and pressure pattern, whatever pattern it is. So this gonna be, I'm going to start from Toronto actually. So actually from Scarborough, which is part of Toronto actually. So currently -10, whatever. So there's gonna be snowfall amounts, so 20 to 40 centimeters snowfall with some locally higher amounts possible. There's going to be significant reduced visibility in blowing snow with winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour. So there's going to be band of lake effects, snow, whatever. So don't need to talk about that. So does it happen? It's going to continue through tonight, today night. There's orange. This is an orange warning, weather warning. So there's a winter storm warning currently. So there's some hazardous winter storm conditions today. So let's talk about not doing downtown Toronto biggest part of the weather warnings, including Oshawa actually. So let's go to Markham. There's gonna be 15 to 30 centimeters of snowfall. Everything is same for wind and snowfall. So it's gonna continue through tonight. There's gonna be band of whatever. So there is nothing else to say. I'm gonna say this. So widespread snow is associated with an approaching system, which is oh that doesn't count. So let's do the markets. So we could do the market and market max the same place. So don't need to talk about that. So including Orangeville, New Market, Uxbridge, Peterborough. Don't need to do that. So there's gonna be 10 to 20 centimeters of snowfall. There's gonna be reduced visibility, the heavy snow and local blowing snow. It's gonna continue this morning all the way to today night, so don't need to talk about the last one. So there's gonna be heavy snow is gonna expect to be today. So don't there's a yellow warning with the snowfall. So including Markham. Markham also has snowfall warning, yellow warning. Actually winter storm warning for Markham, and that's a yellow warning. So so this do I need to be the Uxbridge? Let's double check Uxbridge properly this time. So it's going to tell you it take a while. Actually, it's going to find Uxbridge on this map, and I just look a little bit off. So Uxbridge is actually in some way bordered. Oh, it's outside. We need to talk about that. So it's outside. So Peterborough and Uxbridge, Newmarket, Orangeville is actually in the same place. Don't need to talk about that. So let's do Belleville. So Belleville is gonna get some 15 to 25 centimeters snowfall. It's gonna continue this morning overnight. So there's gonna be winds of 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. So there's gonna be yellow warning with the snowfalls, so heavy snow, whatever. So that's in Belleville. So let's look at Coburg. So Coburg is going to get some 15 to 30 centimeters of snowfall with some winds gusting up to 50 kilometers per hour. So like everywhere in Southern Ontario is actually going to get some gust. So it's going to continue through tonight. So whatever, don't need to talk about ending. So there's a yellow warning and winter storm warning. So let's talk about the upcoming patterns. So this is the current winter storm, just refresh. So let's actually go to 7 p.m. So there's 1012, 1016, 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 24 hours after that. So 1020 and 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to Southern Ontario. 1020 millibars of pressure and 1012. We don't. It's too far. So let's look at 1020 or 1020 millibars of pressure. There's no pressure anywhere. So let's actually zoom out to Ontario. There's nothing else. Let's go to 7 p.m. This 1028, 24, and 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's talk about the precipitation patterns. So, unless we do total precipitation, two videos. So, London, Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to Toronto. So let's go to Belleville. So Belleville, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Olala, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Lionshead, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Cottonwood. Those cities are gonna get some. Peterborough is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So, Lionshead, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, so it skips like 3 hours. I'm going to show the example later. So London, Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, that's Massachusetts. So downtown Toronto, borderline Richmond Hill. No, the Richmond Hill doesn't count. So Oshawa could be borderline or just 0.6 is 2.5. Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Uxbridge, Stouffville, Newmarket. No, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville is actually a bit higher. So those parts in Niagara on the lake, those cities are gonna get some Barrie, Beverly Hills, Virginia. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25, 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's actually do Scarborough. So Scarborough, Richmond Hill, Richmond Hill, Wagon. That's Wagon. So it's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, including parts of Oshawa. So let's in Niagara Falls City, it's gonna get some two. No, like Scarborough's. Richmond Hill and Morgan's gonna get Niagara Falls City, Oshawa is gonna get some 6.25 millimeters. So no, 5 is 0.25. That's wrong. It's in those cities. So let's start go to next tower, which is okay. I'll show you this now. Showing right now. What happens if we go? You can't go 1 hour forward, so it just skips. It goes to 4 p.m. Then it goes to 7 p.m. So London, Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Collingwood. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25, 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Brampton, Orangeville, Newmarket, down Richmond Hill, down Toronto, Scarborough, Stouffville, parts of Oshawa, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next. Oh, almost. Not yet. So line said Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. So I already did Uxbridge. So let's actually go to next tower. So Newmarket Orange Home Snowfall is actually these places because the other one was the wrong place. So if we see like the bit lower precipitation, that's wrong. It could be. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. So you can see that if we go one. So London, Hamilton, Oakville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, parts of Niagara on the Lake, no, Niagara on the Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville, that's actual places. So Mississauga, Brampton, South Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough. If we see like little bit lower, lower, that's right actually. So Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Olala, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters, so 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Brampton, Mississauga, Richmond Hill, South Toronto, Stouffville, Scarborough is going to get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. This is Scarborough, not Stouffville. Stouffville is actually 2.5. So, Line said, Obey, Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. So, Lancedo, B, Barton, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Midland, Rolla, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Greenspire. Those seats are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower since we did Palm Beach, Betty, and Whitehand. Whatever it is. So let's go to next tower, which is 10 a.m. So then maybe 25th, yeah. Line said it will be Whitehand, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Midland, Orella, Betty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, so not doing good. Spy 480, Long Point, Langton, Orange Sound, and London. So don't need to do those six cities actually. So let's go to next hour. It is 1 p.m. So Midland, Aurora, Virginia, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara, Niagara Falls City. Where else? It's so Collingwood, Hamilton, parts of Oakville, parts of Scarborough. So those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. This is Southern Ontario, not US. So let's go to next tower, which is 4 p.m. So, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, nothing London, Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City, Oshawa, Cobourg, towards Peterborough, possibly. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So, line said, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Niagara on the lake parts of Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some variety. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. So, line said, Obey, Bartown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Midland, Betty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Niagara on the lake, parts of it. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. It is 54 hours. So, line said, Whiteham, Port Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Midland, Orella, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly, Suzuki, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, and the Hope Bay is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Downtown Toronto is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. So let's actually go to 10 a.m. So, line said, Whiteham, Port Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Midland, Orella, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Hope Bay is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. Let's actually go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So Lions will be Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Hamilton, Oakville, Password, Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City, parts of Scarborough, Oshawa, Uxbridge. If we say parts of Scarborough, that means not part of like northern Markham and Scarborough borderline, actually, so it's not gonna snow there. So Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville is going to get some Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Midlands, Beolilla, Betty, Georgina, Beverly Hills is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So So sometimes the weather is like when the snow is leaving, sun is a part of Scarborough, it still gets some snowfall with the winds this shift. So actually, so let's go to next tower. It's like climates actually. So Alala is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. So like said, Obey, Wartime, Boyles in Hanover, Bombay, Stanley Beach, Salaby, Milan, Alala. Currently, you're gonna say that later. So Georginia, so Coburg, Belleville, parts of Niagara on the Lake Niagara Falls City, those cities are going to get some, including parts of Detroit. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So it's going to actually set up later. So let's go to next hour. So white temporals in Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Milan, Betty, Georginia. Parts of Niagara on the Lake Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Let's almost go to next hour, which is 10 p.m., which is Wyatton, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Milan, Orella, Betty, Jodinia, parts of Niagara on the Lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So, line said, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Milan, Orla, Betty, Georginia, Beverly, Stoffel. So those cities like Stoffel. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. actually. So line said Obi, Wartown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, South Bay, Midland, Betty, Georginia. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. I'm not doing Peterborough too far. So let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So line said Obi, Whiteham, Boyles in Hanover, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Milan, Alala. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m., which is 87 hours. So Hopesby, Whiteham, Boyles in Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Milan, Alala. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, which is next hour. So Wyerton, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Milan, Lilla, Betty, Georginia, Babylon, so parts of Niagara on the Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City, not parts of it. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. So Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Milan, Betty, Georginia, Beverly Hills, whatever. So Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. There is make sure there's nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. So 4 p.m. Something. So parts of Niagara on the lake is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. Parts of Niagara on the lake and Niagara Falls City parts of it. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 117. Parts of Niagara on the lake and Niagara Falls City is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So not going to talk about like La Nina right away. So after the air temperature patterns. So let's go to 3 p.m. Set up everything. So let's tell the La Nina first. Actually, let's look at. It's going to take a while, actually. So for the La Nina, going to talk about the current La Nina conditions. So currently, there's like close to like moderate La Nina patterns. So it's 0.9 degrees. So this close to moderate. So let's talk about the temperature patterns. So London -12, Whitehall -7, Collingwood -13, Brampton -9, Mississauga -8, Toronto -7, Scarborough -9, Stouffville -12, Newmarket, Orange Walls -13, Uxbridge -14, 12 -12 in Oshawa, -15 in Peterborough, Coburg -11, Belvoir -14. So Niagara, everywhere Niagara Falls is -11, so it's gonna be averaged out into zeros. So Hamilton is -8, so Oakville is gonna be -8 everywhere. So that's it. So that's somewhere else is going -8, -11, so actually -10. Hanover is going to get some, let's do it again. Hanover is actually going to get some -13 degrees, -12. So Palm Beach is going to be -12 degrees. Itland is going to be -13 degrees. Thunder Beach is going to be -12 degrees. So Lionshead Obi is going to be -9 degrees. So let's do Betty. Betty is going to get some -13 degrees. Georgina is going to be -13 degrees. Beverly Hills is -14 degrees. Odella is going to be -13 degrees. So actually -12. -13 is possible. So let's do 7 a.m., which is January 26th. So Whitehall -12, Collingwood -14, so Newmarket Orangeville -17, Stouffville -16, Scarborough -15, Toronto -14, Mississauga -14, Brampton -16, Richmond Hills -16, 15, Sarsfield -15, Uxbridge -17, Peterborough -16, Coburg -14, Belvoir -15. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be -9.5, Hamilton -12, Oakland -12. Port Elgin -11, Hanover is going to be -12 degrees. So Lionshead Obi is going to be -11 degrees. So Bombay is going to be -15 degrees. Thunder Beach is -13. Southern Beach is -15 degrees. Actually, -15 possible. So let's do Midland. Midland's -17 degrees. Very -17 degrees. Georgina is going to be -13 degrees. Actually, let's do it again. So -13 degrees. St. Georgina. Beverly Hills is going to be -15 degrees. So let's go to Olala -17 degrees. That's Olala. So let's go to next tower. We're not doing London yet. So which is 3 p.m. So Waretown -10, Collingwood -11. So let's go to Newmarket Orange Wall. Orange Wall Newmarket is -11. Stouffville -11. Oshawa is -11. Peterborough -13. Coburg -7. Belvoir -12. Uxbridge -12. Down to Toronto, Brampton -10. Mississauga -10. -11, 10.5 Scarborough. Hamilton -9. Oakville is -9. Everywhere in Niagara Falls -9. That's a mean average. Combined for cold subwarmers. So, whatever. So, Palm Beach -11. Thunder Beach is going to be -10. Solid Bay -11. Midland could be -11. But -12. So -11 is mostly so -12. So, Olala, Betty is going to be -12 degrees, so Tinia -11, so Beverly Hills is -11. So Port Elgin is going to be -9, Hanover is going to be -10 degrees. Like that, Bay is going to be same temperature, so it's going to be -10 degrees, 9 degrees, actually 10 degrees, -10 degrees. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So stuff from Scar. No, I'm not doing that. So Scar everywhere Niagara Falls is -15.5. Hamilton -15. -14. Oracle. Down Toronto is -14. Mississauga -14. Brampton -17. Stouffville -17. Scarborough is gonna be -14.5 or 15. -14.5. Downtown. Richmond Hills -14.5. Newmarket Orangeville -17. 16 -16 degrees. Uxbridge -14. Oshawa. Peterborough -15. Coburg -10. Belvoir -14. So Whiteham -14, Collingwood -16, So Bailey minus 15 degrees, Georgina minus 14 degrees, Beverly Hills minus 15 degrees, Orla minus 15 degrees. So that's minus 14, no, minus 15. So let's do Hope's Bay. So Hope's Bay is going to be minus 12 degrees. Lion's Head is going to be minus 11 degrees. So Salak Bay, Thunder Beach is going to be minus 13 degrees. So Midland is going to be Palm Beach actually is minus 12. Midland actually is going to be minus 12. Could be minus 11. Minus 11 to most. So let's do Port Elgin. Port Elgin minus 13. Minus 13. Minus 12 degrees. Hanover is going to be minus, could be minus, so minus 13 degrees. It could be minus 12 centimeters. So no, it's going to be minus 16, minus 17. Minus 16 degrees is an odometer. That's the actual temperatures. So it's actually minus 14. So minus 14 degrees is in Port Elgin. So that's actually one, London, whatever. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So Warsaw minus 11, Collingwood minus 11, Brampton minus 12, Mississauga minus 11, Toronto minus 11, Scarborough minus 12, Five minus 14, Newmarket minus 13, Orangeville minus 13, Uxbridge minus 14, Oshawa minus 13, Peterborough minus 14, Coburg minus 12, Belva minus 13. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is minus 11. So Hamilton minus 11, Oakville is going to be minus 10 degrees. Could be. So Lions Head or Bay is going to be minus 11 degrees, minus 10 degrees, and 11 degrees is, no, it's going to be minus 12, minus 11. So minus 10 degrees in Lions Head. So Solid Bay, Thunder Beach is minus 10. So Bombay is going to be minus 10 degrees. So minus 10 degrees. Midland is going to be minus 9 degrees. No, it's going to be minus 11 degrees. So actually minus 10. So Lila is going to be minus 11. Or it's going to be minus 12. Georgia minus 11. Beverly Hills is minus 12 degrees. So Orlala is going to be minus 12 degrees. So Port Elgin is minus 10. Hanover is going to be minus 10.5 degrees. London, whatever. So let's go to next hour. Let's actually do next hour because it varies. So, which is 7 a.m. So, London, whatever. Whitehall minus 13, Collingwood minus 13, Scarborough minus 17, Dartmouth minus 16, Suffolk minus 18, Newmarket Orange Walls minus 18, Brampton minus 18, Mississauga minus 16, Uxbridge minus 16, Oshawa minus 13, Peterborough minus 16, Coburg minus 14, Belva minus 18. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be minus 16, minus 17.5. Hamilton minus 17, Oakville is going to be minus 16 degrees. So, Port Elgin is minus 17.11. Hanover is going to be minus 12 degrees. Palm Beach, Sunday Beach is going to be minus 13. Southern Beach minus 13. Midland is going to be minus 14 degrees. Perry minus 14 degrees. Georgina is going to be minus 12 degrees. Lilla is going to be minus 17 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to get some minus 14 degrees. So, London. So, Mississauga minus 16. So, line said Obey is going to be minus 14. 12. Minus 7 degrees and no, that's gonna be minus 14 degrees since the line said obey. So let's see how long video is before the next hour. Very close, so it's 29 minutes. So let's go to next hour, which is it's going to take a while actually. So which is 3 p.m. So Wartime minus 14, Collingwood minus 12, London minus 13, Brampton minus 13, Toronto minus 12, Mississauga minus 12, Stockholm minus 14, minus 13, Scarborough, Newmarket, Orangeville minus 14, Uxbridge minus 14, Oshawa minus 13, Peterborough minus 13, Coburg minus 11, Belvoir minus 11, everywhere Niagara Falls minus 13, Hamilton minus 13, Oakville minus 12, somewhere else is going to be minus 13, Hanover is going to be minus 13 degrees. So let's do Salary minus 11, Bomb Beach minus 11. Dun Beach minus 11 degrees. Midland is going to be minus 11 degrees. Olala minus 11. Betty minus 12. Georgina minus 11. Beverly Hills is going to be minus 12 degrees. Lions Head is going to be minus 13. So no, it's going to be minus 15 something else. So it's going to be minus 13 somewhere. So it's going to be minus 15. So Lions Head. Hope's Bay is going to be minus 14, 15 degrees. So 15 degrees. No, it's going to be minus 13. So let's go to next hour because finished everything almost. So let's go to 7 a.m. then 3 p.m. So White minus 23, Colin minus 18, London minus 24, Brampton minus 22, Mississauga minus 20, Dr. London minus 20, Scarborough is going to be minus 21.5 or 22.5. It's going to be 22 degrees. Stillford minus 23, Newmarket Orangeville minus 23, Uxbridge minus 21, Orangeville minus 20, Peterborough minus 23, Coburg minus 19, Bella minus 22. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be 50, 16. So it's going to be minus 16. No, minus 15.5 degrees. Hamilton minus 19. Oakville is going to be minus 19. So Thunder Beach is going to be minus 19 or 18. Minus 19, 18, 20. So it's going minus 20 degrees. No, it's going to be 19, 20. No, it's going to be minus 19.5 degrees. It's in Thunder Beach. Palm Beach minus 19.5. Southern Beach is going minus 20. Midland is going to be minus 21. So Alala is going to be minus 23 degrees. Barry is going to be minus 20 degrees. Georgina is going to be minus 19 degrees. Minus 18. So Beverly Hills is going to be minus 19 degrees. So minus 20. So Lions Head OB is going to be minus 20 degrees. So Barry, no, Lions Head OB is actually the same temperatures almost. So it's going to be minus 20 degrees. Boreals is minus 21 degrees. Hanover is going to be minus 23 degrees. So it's going to be 1 degrees off or 1 degrees off. So let's go to next hour. Oh, this next hour. So which is 4 p.m. But London, whatever. Whitehall minus 18, Collingwood minus 18, Brampton minus 17, Mississauga minus 16, Downtown minus 16. Scarborough minus 17 degrees, Stouffville minus 18 degrees, Newmarket minus 18 degrees, Orangeville minus 18, Uxbridge minus 18, Russell minus 17, Peterborough minus 17, Coburg minus 16, Bella minus 15. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is minus 16 degrees, Hamilton minus 16, Oakville minus 16. So Barrie minus 18, Georgina minus 17, Beverly Hills is gonna be minus 18. Orlando minus 16. Starlight Bay, Thunder Beach, Palm Beach is going to be minus 17. Midland's also minus 17. Lionshead, Bay is going to be minus 17. Boreals is minus 17. Honor is going to be minus 17. Actually, minus 18. So minus 19. Actually, yeah, minus 19 degrees the most warm temperatures. So London, whatever. So we did Lakes and Kabopolis. So this is the end of the video. Next video is called Total Snowfall.